Oba FM.
This morning wan carry una go around the world tell una wetin dey happen cause yesterday Champions League matches bin happen for some centres yesterday and some go play today too, and tomorrow I know say some Man U fans too dem don dey expect say how e go be against AC Milan, but as una know as we dey always do am say we dey always try make we start from the local scene before we carry our kaya go obodo oyibo come give una wetin dey go on for there. Make una no change the dial o because na Oba FM 100.0 na there una dey, and this program na Oba Sports na im this one be. Make una no change the dial, we dey come back. Another news wey be say make we start from the local scene, make we give una as e dey go. CAF president wey be Patrice Motsepe na the new CAF president. Una know say dem do the CAF election for this weekend wey be say e pass, and na this man wey dem dey call Patrice Motsepe na him win the election wey be say dem do for Morocco, and na this man he come from South Africa but na him be the new CAF president now. Una know say na Ahmad na him be the former CAF president, but the new CAF president wey be Patrice Motsepe he don talk this morning. He say the African Cup of Nations wey we dey always call Nations Cup for we Africa for here, he say e go dey happen for every 2 years as e dey always be. Dem don sit down before think say make dem look at dem fit turn am to like how dem dey do World Cup, make dem play am for 4 years, say that 2 years e don dey somehow too early, but the man don come and don talk say e don tell all the whole press say this competition na every 2 years na e go dey happen. This man na Johannesburg for South Africa im dey, wey be say im talk am na im native country na im be that Johannesburg for South Africa. He say since im don do im election say im don dey aware say some people don dey talk say make dem change am, say make dem put am for 4 years as World Cup be, say this 2 years e no too balance, but this man don come and don talk say make dem leave am as e be 2 years, say na 2 years na im dem go dey play the African Cup of Nations. Another news wey be say we dey hear the Benin Republic team wey be say Nigeria wan play for the African Cup of Nations qualifier wey go shele for March 27 this month. News wey be say dey reach us say Benin Republic head coach wey be Michel Dusuya he don dey talk say he no dey happy this morning because the list wey be say he announce yesterday, na you know say we tell una say he announce list yesterday. He say the foreign players wey be say dey part of the list say dem don talk say dem no go come play this African Cup of Nations qualifier, say dem no wan come at all. Maybe na their club no wan release am, abi na because of COVID na dem dey fear wey no wan make dem come, and this one don dey become headache for this coach, and he don dey shout this morning say hey Nigeria na juju e wan catch am, say im dey expect say im go get full house wan beat Nigeria, but the news wey be say e dey hear now wey the foreign pros dey talk say dem no go come, e say e no make am happy at all. Nigerian veteran boxer im pikin e don wan try, im say e wan dey fight the box wey be say im papa dey do. This man if I mention im name some people go don know am, na Jeffrey Ama na im be, and im son na Nigeria for born am but na Ghanaian parents im get, so na Ghanaian im dey always make sure say e dey claim, and im son wey be James Oyebola he don talk say he wan try wan begin boxing as im papa dey do am for time, na as e dey go for that page for boxing be that. Make we come comot for there sharply, make we give una wetin dey go on, cause we dey hear another news wey Mutiu Adepoju wey be former Nigerian midfielder, he don dey advise Super Eagles coach wey be Gernot Rohr don dey tell am say make e make sure say im dey careful select im choice of striker wey be say e go dey front wan put goal for net against Benin Republic and Lesotho. He say for this Nations Cup qualifier wey go shele, he say make the man make sure say im carry better player put for front, because una know say Kelechi Iheanacho score hat-trick a day before yesterday wey be on Monday, and now Victor Osimhen he just come back from wunjure, even though he never still dey informed back, and Mutiu Adepoju don dey tell am say make e try make sure say e select the best one, maybe say if Nigeria dey play we go dey expect goals from anybody wey lead the attack. Former Nigeria midfielder Garba Chindo Lawal he don talk, he don dey advise Super Eagles coach wey be Gernot Rohr, don dey tell am say boss, as you wan lead the attack now, make you against Benin Republic, make you make sure say you try reason Kelechi Iheanacho put for front, say this man dey hot na him na akara wey be say dem just carry comot from Ororo. This man e dey hot well well, say just put am for front against Benin Republic, say this man e go score goals for you, say he no think say Victor Osimhen e fit dey that attack, say this man e no too get in form since when he come back from injury, say make you just try make sure say you put Kelechi Iheanacho for that attack and see as goals go happen for inside that stadium for Benin Republic. Today na CAF Confederation Cup match wey go shele between Orlando Pirates of South Africa versus Nzogbu Enyimba of Aba of our own Nigeria for here. The first matches wey be say these teams play, na know say na group stage na dem dey for the CAF Confederation Cup. The first matches wey be say dem play na draw, na Orlando Pirates play for their own away match, and Enyimba dem win for their own home for here against Al Ahly Benghazi of Libya. Enyimba win 2-1. Now Enyimba dem go play Orlando Pirates for South Africa today, and na 5 p.m. na that match go happen. And Austin Oladapo wey be the captain for Enyimba don dey talk say make una no worry, say Enyimba go make sure say dem bring out victory for the match. And the coach for the side of Enyimba, Fatai Osho, he don dey talk this morning say dem go try make sure say dem beat Orlando Pirates for their home and make sure say dem sit down tanda for the group stage table wey be say e wan happen. Aya mo dey give studio for the news wey be say go happen for our own dialect. Another news wey be say no too dey happy wey happen yesterday, that is why I wan put am for last, cause this news I no dey happy yesterday when I see am, when I hear, when I even call some of the people and say wetin happen. Ekiti United wey dey play for the Division 2 of the Nigerian League wey be NNL, Nigerian National League, and they get accident yesterday wey be say their bus, their luxurious bus wey dem take dey travel for their away match, they get accident yesterday wey be say the bus e take him own side go hit ground yesterday wey be say e fall yakata for ground yesterday. But as we hear am, nobody wunjure for that place. Na few people dey say e even get some scratch, but dem don make sure say dem carry dem go hospital, but nobody die, nothing happen. But we thank God say everything dey safe. This thing e don dey happen several times now wey be say we no dey happy. Make our government make dem try make sure say dem put road for good place wey be say this team dem fit dey travel go any of their league match, siriri werere, go anywhere wey be say dem wan go. We don see say time don go and wan carry our car dey comot. We thank una say una lis ten to today episode of Oba Sport on Oba FM 100.0. More una no forget, more una join us tomorrow from 7:30 to 8 o'clock. We go give una wetin dey go on for the matches. Another match wey be say go happen today na Chelsea vs Atletico Madrid for their Champions League match. Na go take happen, and we know say Chelsea bin beat Atletico for their for Atletico home 1-0 wey Oliver Giroud score that bicycle kick. But this night we dey hope say Chelsea go qualify for the quarter final, but we know say Atletico no go gree. Na thank you say una lis ten to today edition, and tomorrow more una join us. Una bye.
Oba FM 100.0.